Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. Without further ado, let's dig into our unboxing series. So our next component is a storage unit. We got the PNY CS900 and it's 240GB 3D NAND 2.5-inch SATA 3 internal solid state drive. According to the product specifications, it has an exceptional performance, offering up to 535 megabytes per second sequential read and 500 megabytes per second sequential write speeds. You might be wondering what's an SSD or solid state drive. Well, it's a type of non-volatile storage media that stores persistent data on solid-state flash memory. SSDs are made up of two key components, a flash controller and non-flash memory chips. It's basically a hard disk drive replacement, a photo and video storage, and boot drives. Now the question is, can you store files on SSD? Of course you can. However, SSD drives are ideal to store operating systems files, program files, game files, and frequently accessed files. So don't store your movie files, music collection, photos, and pictures on an SSD drive, since this is just pure waste of an expensive and fast storage device. So you might consider a mechanical hard disk drive for your files. They are very affordable these days. If you go to eBay, you can find a 500 gigabytes HDD for 13 bucks, or if you can get a 1 terabyte HDD for $26 up. That's it for our unboxing today. Once again, thank you for watching.